Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am sharing with you the Kickstarter campaign for the MicroCosmic Oracle. This is by Julia Y, and there's no physical copy, so I'm sharing with you her materials so that we can get her creation out there, and I'll have her explain a little bit more right now.
Hello, my name is Julia Y, and I'm the creator of the MicroCosmic Oracle deck, a 60-card divination deck inspired by astrology, herbalism, folklore, and science.
The main structure of the deck is based on astrology and how the Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, and Mars express themselves through each of the 12 zodiac signs. Each of these combinations has their own unique strengths, which are depicted in the cards using the symbolism of animals, plants, and geometric shapes. While based in astrology, the deck is accessible to users of all skill levels. These cards can be a gateway to deepening your understanding of astrology and also of yourself. They can be used as a tool of inner exploration, divination of the future, or as visual aids to focus your intentions. The artwork consists of 60 vibrant 3D mixed media illustrations created by me by hand using cut fabric, acrylic paint, embroidery floss, and nails. The campaign also features my 2024 wall calendars, t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, wooden card holders, astrological altar cloths, and the one-of-a-kind original paintings.
I've been working on this deck for nearly 5 years now, and I'm so excited that you're here to see this project and help make it a reality. Thanks!
If you are interested in backing this, the Kickstarter ends November 14th, 2023, and all of the links will be down in the description box below as per usual. This deck looks amazing. Just looking at the attention to detail is incredible. Julia, you are so talented. I cannot wait to see the physical copy. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited for you. Thank you for sending your media kit over to me so I can share. I love being able to showcase independent artists and independent creators. So thank you again. I am truly excited about this. Let me know if you guys are excited about this deck. Is this something that you've heard about, or is this your first time seeing it? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. I think this is one to take a look at if you are into animals and astrology and combining the two. Like, it just looks beautiful. So thank you all for hanging out with me today for a couple minutes just so I can get her creation out there into the world, and let me know all of your thoughts down below. Thank you again, Julia, for sending this my way. I am so excited, and if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.